To install PLS Toolbox in MATLAB, we're going to head over to the Eigenvector website. We're going to log in and head to this Downloads tab. Under Software for Use with MATLAB, we're going to see PLS Toolbox, and on the right we want to hit Download. So after hitting Download, I'm going to download this zip file. If you're on Windows, you can use the .exe, but for everyone else, we have to use zip file. And then you just want to click here to download. Don't have to worry about this every license server below. I already have it downloaded, so I'm just going to cancel this for now. And then we're going to head back, and there's one more thing we have to download. We're going to go to the Other Files tab right here, and click on this blue link. That will download another file. So once we have those two things downloaded, we're going to exit out of the website. And as you can see, I have those two files prepared in this folder right here. First, we're going to open up this PLS Toolbox zip file. And we have this PLS Toolbox folder that we want to drag and drop into MATLAB's installation folder. So what we're going to do is we're going to find MATLAB's installation folder. I'm going to head to my latest version of MATLAB installed. So that's 2021A. We're going to go to the Toolbox folder, and then just drag and drop this PLS Toolbox folder into MATLAB's Toolbox folder. And then we'll just let it do its thing. All right, once that is done, we're going to head back to the other folder that we just downloaded, this zip file. And we're going to extract these three files, so the everylicense.lic, everylm.xml, and everynetwork.lic. I'm going to copy those and paste them into this folder right here. So what we want to do first is just edit this everylm.xml file. So to do that, I'm going to open it with a notepad. And then all we want to do is change the server address right there. So in our case, the server address is 134.117.14.73. Once we have that done, I'm just going to go to File and Save. And now we're on to the final step, and that's just to copy and paste all these files into the PLS Toolbox folder, which we just unzipped into the MATLAB installation folder. So I'm going to go into the PLS Toolbox folder and just paste those files in. All right, and that is pretty much it. To verify if the installation worked, we're just going to open up MATLAB. Once MATLAB is opened up, we're going to change directory to our installation folder. So this is where I just installed all the PLS Toolbox files. And all I'm going to do is copy this directory, paste it into here, hit enter. And so now MATLAB is looking into our PLS Toolbox folder. And what we want to do is type in every install silent. So I just got this error message saying server not found. I'm going to hit OK. And this license server information window is going to pop up. So the reason that happened is because we actually weren't connected to Carlton through the VPN. So what you want to do is install this program called Cisco. Anytime you want to use PLS Toolbox, you just want to connect to the Carlton VPN. And there's instructions on Carlton's website on how to do that. Accept. And we are connected now. So if I press OK, we should be good. We get this message, successfully added to the path and saved. So once it's done, it should say no PLS Toolbox installation problems were identified. So that's good. Last thing we want to do is just type in PLS test. And that should give us an expiry date. Everything seems to be working. That's all good. Another thing we can test is to just type browse, and that should open a window with all the PLS Toolbox functions. So there we go, just opened up. We have all our tools here, and we're ready to go. So that's how you install PLS Toolbox.